Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 10BD on the income tax portal. This form is crucial for organizations receiving donations, allowing them to report details of all donors. We will cover the essential steps, from logging in to submitting the form, ensuring you have all the required information ready. This process helps donors claim deductions under Section 80G. First, you'll need to log in to the income tax e-filing portal using your registered user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the e-file section. From there, select Income Tax Forms and then choose File Income Tax Forms. You will then find Form 10BD listed under the relevant category for filing. Now it's time to fill out Form 10BD. You'll need to provide comprehensive details for each donor, including their name, address, and either their PAN or Aadhaar number. Accurately enter the donation type, amount, and the date of receipt. Double-check all entries to prevent errors, as precision is key for successful submission and donor benefit. Before final submission, carefully review all the information you've entered in Form 10BD. Once you are confident everything is correct, submit the form using your digital signature certificate or electronic verification code. After successful submission, remember to download Form 10B, which is the certificate of donation, for your records and to provide to your donors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.